This is how you export any Google Sheet to a clean, structured XML file with just one click. No sketchy online converters, no endless formulas. Just a custom button right inside your spreadsheet. Grab the script from the description below, and let's set it up. Here is our sample data representing a product catalog, with IDs, names, prices, and categories. Notice that I've named the Sheet tab Products at the bottom. Make sure to do the same, as our script will look for this exact name. Next, go to the top menu, click on Extensions, and then select App Script. This will open a blank code editor connected to your sheet. Delete any default code you see here, and paste the entire script. I've left a link to this exact code in the description below so you can just copy and paste it. Now, let me quickly explain how this magic works so you can customize it if you need to. The first part, on Open, automatically creates a custom menu called XML Tools at the top of your Google Sheets as soon as you open it. This is where our button lives. The second part, Export to XML, is the main engine. It finds our sheet named Products, loops through every row, and wraps your data inside clean XML tags. Finally, it saves the file directly to your Google Drive. Once the code is pasted, click the Save icon at the top. Now, go back to your Google Sheet and refresh the page. Look at the top menu, a new option called XML Tools has appeared. Click on it, and then click Export to XML. You will see an Authorization Required pop-up. Click OK. Google will say it hasn't verified this app. Don't worry, this is just because we wrote the code ourselves. Click on the small advanced link on the bottom left. Then, click on Go to Untitled Project, Unsafe. On the next screen, click Select All to give the script access to save the file, scroll down, and hit Continue. And that's it. You will see a success message. Your XML file is now generated and saved directly to your Google Drive root folder. If we head over to Google Drive, you can see our brand new products_export.xml file. When we open it, all our spreadsheet data is perfectly structured into clean XML code, ready to be used anywhere. The code is waiting for you in the description below. See you in the next one.